Stop paying for software. These 7 free AI tools will save you time, boost your productivity, and help you make money online. Let's start the magic. Tool number 1, ChatGPT Free. Perfect for writing, ideas, emails, and research. If you're a student, creator, or business owner, this is your daily AI assistant. Tool number 2, Canva AI. Design stunning images, posts, and presentations in minutes using AI, even if you're not a designer. Tool number 3, Pictory. Turn text into videos automatically. Perfect for faceless YouTube channels or quick video creation. Tool number 4, Remove.bg. Instantly remove backgrounds from any image, completely free. Tool number 5, ElevenLabs Free. Create natural AI voices for any script. Perfect for content creators and educational videos. Tool number 6, Notion AI Free. Organize ideas, write notes, and plan projects using AI. It's your personal productivity assistant. Tool number 7, Leonardo AI. Generate stunning AI images for free. Perfect for digital art or unique visual content. Bonus tool, futuretools.io. Hundreds of AI tools all in one place, a must-visit for any AI enthusiast. If you found these tools helpful, hit like and subscribe to AI Magic Tools for the latest AI tools and news. New videos every week. See you in the next one.